In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Serpentine drive belt on your Ford Explorer located on the passenger side of the engine. Now on the front side of the engine here, or the passenger side of the engine, there is the belt tensioner right here, and there is a 3/8 port square hole on the side of it. When we put our tensioner tool down inside, and want to go ahead and pull this towards you. This is going to release the tension on the belt. You're going to reach down. You want to pull that belt off. I'm going to work this off of the alternator. Now at this point, we can go ahead and bring our tensioner back. Now I'm just going to leave the tool on there. Now you want to reach down and work that belt off. We have the AC. I want to drop that off of. I'm just going to finagle that up and out. I'm going to feed the belt through where it naturally wants to curve back. That's going to feed it back to my hand on the back side there. There we go. I get the belt with my left hand. And what you're going to do is just, with both hands, manipulate that belt down and around. Continue to feed the belt down. Okay, we have the belt around the crank. Feed it down, going to feed it around the AC pulley down below. I'm going to push this belt down underneath our tensioner. Now at this point, we have the belt on our crankshaft on the far left. We have it underneath our tensioner pulley, and we have the belt around the AC. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our tensioner. We're going to pull this with our right hand, and our left hand, we're going to grab that belt down and pull it up and over the alternator pulley. Now I'm reaching down. I got tension pulling that belt up towards the alternator pulley. Now we're going to pull our tensioner. That should give us some belt slack here. Now we have that underneath the tensioner pulley. I'm just reaching down and feeling it, make sure it's on the pulley all the way. I'm going to reach back, make sure the belt is on the crankshaft as well. Release our tensioner and work that out. Do a visual inspection. Down, make sure that the belt is on the ribs of the AC compressor as well as the alternator. Everything looks good. Once you've guaranteed that that belt is on all of those ribs, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.